Welcome to our video on affiliate marketing, the ultimate guide to making money in 2023. Bill Liberty here, and we are excited to share with you today some proven strategies for finding the perfect product to promote as an affiliate marketer and increasing your income. First, let's talk about the importance of researching your niche. Understanding what products are in demand, what people are looking for, and what they're willing to pay for, is crucial in narrowing down the product that you want to promote. Take the time to research and understand your niche, it will pay off in the long run. Next, we'll discuss looking for popular products. One great way to do this is by looking at the best-selling products on Amazon, or by looking at what products are popular on social media. This will give you a good idea of what products are currently in demand and what people are willing to buy. Once you've found a product that you want to promote, the next step is to check the commission. You want to make sure that the product you're promoting has a high commission rate so that you can earn more money. You can find this information on the Affiliate Network's website or by contacting the merchant directly. But remember, high commission rates aren't everything. It's also important to make sure the product you're promoting is of good quality. You don't want to promote a product that's going to get bad reviews or that's going to be returned a lot. Before promoting a product, make sure to read the reviews, and if possible, try the product yourself. The sales page is also an important factor to consider. This is the page where the customer will go to purchase the product. It's important to make sure that the sales page is well designed, easy to navigate, and that it's optimized for conversions. If the sales page is poorly designed, it will be harder to make sales. Another important step is to analyze your competition. Look at what other affiliate marketers are promoting, and see what they're doing right and wrong. This will give you an idea of what you should be doing to promote the product more effectively. Finally, it's time to start promoting your product. You can do this by creating content, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts, and by running ads. You can also use email marketing and influencer marketing to promote your product. In conclusion, finding the perfect products to promote as an affiliate marketer takes time and effort. But by following these steps, you'll be able to find products that convert well and earn you more money. Remember to be selective, research your niche, and always keep an eye on your competition. Start finding the perfect products to promote today and watch your affiliate marketing income soar in 2023. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos in future.